Hi, I'm doing a product review for TaoTronics. This is a ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. I'm gonna show you the box content and the package content before I get to the reveal. The model is a TT8H001. They also have a website that you can go to check out other products. And on the back of the box, there's a lot of different type of features. In the package, you will get an instruction manual with a 6-month extended warranty card. Here's what the device will look like. I'll already pour some water in it to show you guys how it works later on. When you pour in the water, read the instruction carefully. There's 2 slots underneath this tank. You can remove the tank. As you can see, you can just lift it up and you can flip it and just add the water in. Do not fill the water in this slot. On the small slot, use the bigger slot, because if you use it to fill it on the top right here, it will leak underneath. Just follow the instructions carefully once you do it. Here's all the stuff that's given for the humidifier. I'm going to try to zoom in for the location of the settings. Your basic timer, on and off, your mist, and your humidifier stat, and the night light. It should last you 24 hours when you use it, because it's quite a big tank, as you can see, so you don't have to worry about refilling the water all the time. I'm gonna plug it in to show you that it's working. Once you plug it in, it will auto activate for a short second. Then you can just turn it on and off. As you can see, it's working right away, and you can see the mist coming out. It's pretty strong. You can feel it. It does help when you're sick or you want to make the room smell better. I'm going to dim off the lights to hopefully you can see it better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make a comment and I will try to reply back as quick as possible. Thank you.